So we are approaching to the big winter season, so we need some kind of battery checkups, and if necessary I have to do some winterizations of battery. So first of all, I like to check there is any voltage leakages in there, because as you see, there are a lot of dirty things all over the places. During my last the 6 months driving all over the places in the United States. So let me check the battery condition is okay or not using the voltmeters. So I have here pretty simple voltmeters. So set the 20 volts over here. See, check it out. Is there any voltage leakages or happening in these batteries or not? Obviously the line has been hooked up to the plus 2, and it goes all the way to the in-house battery plus terminals. So let's remove these fixtures and take some rooms, because I need to clean up this area with water dirty things all over the places. Okay, I'm ready to pull out of this battery from the car, and I already finished disassembling these brackets. Okay, see, wow, it's quite dirty, isn't it? So we need kind of a safety glove. And there are a lot of acid inside of the battery, so you have to be very careful about hands protected by the glove, and your eyeglasses. Okay, protective eyeglasses are required for doing this kind of job. Quite heavy. Okay. Well, let's clean up the mess over here. Since the last 4 years, this has, oops, I didn't know about this. So let me clean up all this mess over here using the brush. Ooh, a lot of dust. So let's check the battery. How much, battery is good or not. See, put over here. See how much is it? Okay, 12.73. Oh, it's pretty good, isn't it? So the charging condition is okay so far. Let's check the shell number 1 right here. 7.2221. Shit, right here. 7.78. Oh my goodness. Right here in this area, the shell number 1. There's a lot of leakage, because you can see the stains stains over here, because some acid acid water flowing out of these sockets during the driving times. So you can see some kind of stains and wets over here. Through these the acid solutions, there are a lot of the ions and negative electrons are discharged through this area. So cell number 1, here is in pretty bad condition. See, what the heck, 7.81. So since cell number 2, it's 7.02. Oh my. And the cell number 3, 615. How about here? It's 517. And the cell number 5, 3.32. Cell number 6 right here, 2.47. So my battery is getting worse and worse going this direction. So that I think the concern about some kind of surfactant, what is some kind of bad things happening inside over here. Particularly the acid solutions out of this battery boxes, make this thing worse and worse. Even if this battery is 4 years old, okay, but so far the charging condition looks okay, but there are a lot of current leakage while the storing these things in the car, because times going by I gotta lose a lot of battery powers because of this stupid acid solutions flowing out of the box. So let's check it out in this area too. Okay. Here is a baking soda, and you prepare about 10 times volume of this baking soda, but it's about this much. Could be okay. So you remember 1:10 ratio of the baking soda and water. So I'm making some alkaline solution using this one. So okay, ready. So you may need foam toothbrush is good. Making a good solution, alkaline solution. Okay, now looks good. So I have a small log. In and out, in and out. So, so important thing is not just the cleaning up the box, okay, battery box. So important thing is to remove all the acid components from the box using the baking soda. Okay, as you know, baking soda is about a $1 investment for re-energizing your battery. Okay, so inside out, but this kind of doesn't tell anything, but we're starting to clean up, so make sure everything looks shiny, and particularly be careful about the top of the battery box, okay, because right in here the fumes and acid waters are flowing out of this a little bit of covers over here. I don't know this is secure or not secure, but this is about 4 years old, but still runs good. I don't have any problems on the cranking the engines, but this is about a good time to think about my lovely batteries. Anyway, he has been doing good job for a while, no problem so far cranking the engines. Anyway, this real tiny battery doing his job well done. So this is time for me to taking care of this little baby. Okay, I remove all the moisture outside. Okay, let's check the normal voltage. How much is it? 12.8. Wow, nice. Looks good. Just a little bit. 0.1 volt improved. Let's check cell number right here. Right here. Oh, 0.01. How about here? Same thing. Right here, same thing. See? 0.01. See, without touching the panel, I mean, cover, still same thing, no change. See? Wow. And right here, cell number 2, 0. Okay, in here, still 0. Cell number 3. Yep, 0. And how about here? Okay, cell number 4, right there. And no. And over here, Baba, no leakage. See here, 0.01. Right here, 0.01. Right here, wait a minute, 0.01. 0.04 right there. 0.01. See, everywhere. In here, pretty clean because this alkaline solution remove all sulfation debris from the terminal. Wow, looks clean without any effort. Just put this thing in here and nice. I love baking soda. So nice. It's be a good friend with my battery. Okay. See. Nice. Can you see this one? Looks new. Thank you for your watching and have a sunny day.